Hey, hey, hey. What's up, Facebook? Hello, 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 everybody out there. Welcome to my live video. Welcome to my Facebook page. Welcome to my channel, wherever you're catching this. Appreciate you stopping by. If you could, as you come in, if you're catching this, just let me know you're here. Give me a shout out. Let me know you're here. I would greatly appreciate it on this Friday afternoon. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Jason Brown from Portland, Oregon, and I'm hopping on here live on this Friday afternoon to answer or talk about a question that I've been asked several times recently. You know, when good things are happening and people are finding success, and there's lots of buzz, if you will. People start to question what's going on. What is it? What is it that you're doing? And what I've had recently is what made me join. What made you join that business? What made you join that opportunity or platform? And the biggest reason, there's several reasons. The one is the appeal was that there was no recruiting. There was no need for me to spam my link. I don't do that anyways. No need for me to contact 100 people. No need to make lists, and all those things that come along with trying to recruit people into a business. There was immediately no need for that. Hey, Ann, how are you? Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. So right from the top, there was no need for that sort of thing in this business. Now, am I saying that those types of businesses are bad? Absolutely not. But for what I was looking for, what I wanted to add to what I was doing, if you will, that was a perfect fit for me. So the no recruiting was huge for me. The other thing is it's automated. We have to do. There's certain things that we have to do on a daily basis. There's certainly things that we have to do on a weekly basis. And it's real, just follow the path or follow the steps. I'm sorry. It's laid out perfectly so that there's really no confusion about what needs to be done in order to create income. Are there other ways that you can add to that and create more of an income? Absolutely. Absolutely. But if you just follow the tasks, you can earn an income. You can get payments and receive those on a weekly basis, or as they come in, etc. But the main part, or the main reason that hey, Mary, thanks for tuning in. The main reason, in addition to those two, was the training. The training that we receive from a seven-figure earner who is extremely accessible, who is she comes on live with us at least once a week, sometimes twice a week, just depending on where we're at in the process, if you will. But she drops all the knowledge, all the nuggets that she's learned in her 5-6 years of being successful online. She shares everything with us. There's no smoke and mirrors. There's no try this and see if it works. She gives us, again, steps to increase engagement on your Facebook page, to increase your overall presence online, all the different tricks and tips, to maximize what it is that you're doing with your time, with your social media, everything that you can think about that would help you, that does help me to increase my online presence in this space. So the training is by far the number one reason. Yes, it's been awesome that I've been able to earn over $3,300 in just over, almost 4 months. But the training that I've received so far, and with much more to come, far outweighs the small amount that I had to pay to get started, far outweighs even the income, which obviously is very much welcomed. Any other place, the training that we receive on a weekly basis would cost a whole lot more than what we have to pay to get started. And it's a one-time fee. Those are one-time fees to get started. You jump in, you immediately have access to the training. As I mentioned, all the trainings are live, but they're also in your back office. So any training that you miss, any training that you want to watch again, which I'd highly encourage you to do, it's there, it's accessible. And you can go back and watch it 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20 times and pick up new nuggets each and every time. I'm actually on my way back through for the third time, watching them again and again, grasping things that I missed the first time, or fine-tuning things that maybe weren't as clear, or whatever the situation. I'm finding more and more value each and every time that I watch it, in addition to the current training, which is always new and cutting edge, if you will. And it's, you know, not stuff that's just a video from 10 years ago, not even 2 years ago. Again, it's live. So that's the biggest reason why I joined this opportunity. I know that there's some people that are you know, skeptical. Obviously, it's a relatively new program, just over 4 months old, but paid out over $450,000 in commissions already, just being over just 4 months old. So is it new? Absolutely. No, I don't hide behind that. Is it? Are we just getting started and really just kind of gaining traction and getting going? Absolutely. But it's only going to get better. And, you know, so there's being skeptical, and then there's just being, oh, everybody's doing that. And well, there's a reason. This isn't a get all your friends in at the top and you know, only the top 2 or 3 people. No, everybody is earning with this platform. Everybody is finding success at different levels. Do people earn differently? Of course. And can you recruit people and earn more money? Absolutely. But it's just not a necessity, and you don't have to. If you want your income to increase quicker, you bring more people in, or you bring people in. So that's kind of what I wanted to share today on this Friday. I appreciate all those who've jumped on with me here. Anyone who comes in and catches this replay, hopefully you get value of it. Hopefully those that were here, appreciate, as always, you stopping in and you know, saying hello. And if you could just let me know you're here and let me know what you think, your thoughts about this, I would greatly appreciate it. But and in addition, if you want to know more about what I'm doing and how I'm earning an income, I'd be happy to share. Just drop me a message, drop me a comment, however you want to go about that. That'd be amazing. I'd be happy to share with you. So as always, again, Jason Brown, Portland, Oregon. Appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you on the next video. All right. Thanks, Jason Brown. I'm out. Peace.